Hey family, welcome to Remoro Presents Vlogs, and today I'm very excited to tell you that this language have to speak for 24 hours. Hey Diksha,
Hi brother, what's up?
I'm so good. Tell everybody what are we doing today?
I asked you what's up, not I am so good. I asked you what are you doing basically.
I'll tell you. Chitra kata tenu. Sorry,
You can't say that.
I can't say that. Yeah.
Hi Sanjay.
Oh,
Hello
Sanjay.
Diksha, hello dude, what's up man? How you doing?
I'm good, bro.
Yes, what's up?
What's up?
Yes.
अबे हाथ नहीं मिलाना था.
Oh my god, no,
Wait,
god.
listen. Arey, listen.
हाँ, listen नहीं, ऋषि नाम है मेरा.
Listen, how can you say that? How can you say that? अरे हाथ नहीं मिलाना.
Now you gotta slap yourself, bro.
ये दीक्षा और ये दीक्षा की इंग्लिश. आज हम जो करने जा रहे हैं वो है बड़ा सिंपल सा चैलेंज, यानी कि आपने हमारा पुराना वाला देखा था ना चैलेंज, जिसका नाम था ट्राई नॉट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फॉर 24 आवर्स, रिमेम्बर? और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं स्पीकिंग ओनली इंग्लिश फॉर 24 आवर्स. संजय, इसमें रूल्स क्या हैं?
Guys, the rules are like if you speak Hindi, you're gonna slap yourself.
You need
Yeah.
to slap yourself. You are gonna.
I'm
need
telling you need to.
चल चल थप्पड़ थप.
So basically, family, when it comes to me, when it comes to me,
Dude, Papa said.
when it comes to me, I had this habit of speaking half English and half Hindi. Like sometimes I use Hindi words in my English speaking.
ये अभी इतनी कल्प गई है.
Oh wait, slap yourself.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
जदों लक मटकावे मेरा साह ले जावे स्नैपचैट उत्ते सारे फिल्टर लावे 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 कैफी 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 दी
Bro, why are you wearing that shoes?
These shoes,
Yes.
because I have myself created these shoes.
You created the shoes. No, you just painted it. You didn't create it.
Yes.
Okay. If I was allowed to speak Hindi, I will tell you. I'll
What
tell
will
you.
you tell me?
So bro, today explain the weather, man.
Huh?
Explain the weather.
Good.
No, explain in details, man. I need it in details, like how's the clouds,
Wait.
what's the temperature.
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, help me with English. So about the weather. As you know, the conditions are changing day by day.
Yes,
What
yes.
conditions are you talking
Weather
about?
condition.
Okay.
Sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's cozy, sometimes it's
It's
chilled, sometimes it's unpredictable.
You can say, yeah, that's what I was going to say. You can only say it's unpredictable.
Predictable, yes. Yeah.
One more rule, family. If
Huh?
we speak wrong English, also slap.
No, wait.
Yeah, what is this?
Wait,
man?
what?
I mean, what is this,
Right now-
man?
Nah. It's a good weather, and when it's about the weather, it's good.
Yeah, it's
Piche.
very good.
Oh,
Be careful from piche.
this was for the safety of Mamu.
Yes.
No.
Actually, Mamu was going to get stuck with the pillar.
Oh my
What
god.
pillar?
There was no pillar. Oh yeah, there is. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
I saved my Mamu's life.
Oh my god. Really?
Where's your wife?
I don't have a wife.
This is evening walk in our colony. Colony, na? Or
Yeah,
street?
it's
No, it's
colony, basically.
yeah, colony.
We
So-
live in a society.
We are in society, so we are just having an evening walk. What is this?
It's for basically it's for the stray dogs.
Okay, what happens? So they can drink?
No. So you know, so
They'll not come here and poop.
Poop.
yeah. So
They don't come here and poop.
Haan,
Yes.
they get
And even
scared
if they poop, they can wash it with this.
of- no.
So family, today I will tell you a story about Thirsty Crow. Have you heard of Thirsty Crow? If you not, I'll tell you. Don't worry. So there was this one crow. He used to play Fortnite a lot, and he always wears black t-shirts and black shoes sometimes, and some jean pants. And yes, and that is all about the Thirsty Crow.
Jean ki pants. Thirsty crow.
He was talking about it.
Now I tell you about a buffalo. There was this white buffalo who never take bath.
Who
And-
doesn't like to brush her teeth?
Her-
His teeth.
Her treat.
Sorry, his
Slap,
teeth.
slap. Now we will check our English on another level, family. English very strong.
You didn't report to me. No.
Tickle her. Tickle her. Tickle her. Tickle her. In English. Say mama.
Mama! Give it to me. Mama! Give it to me!
Bebe. She said She said baby.
Give my phone first.
Say.
Give it to me. I'll do it pakka.
No.
Give it to me first. No, I won't do it if you wouldn't. Mama.
So family, we have lot of things to do, but still we can't do. What we can do is a lot of things. So what right now is gonna be happening is something which is very similar to lot of things. But lot of things we can do is acha. She said acha. No. No, we couldn't hear it.
I just want to talk about something.
Of course.
You speak it.
You speak Itna English.
I didn't say that.
You said
I didn't
it.
say.
Slap yourself. Okay, good, yeah.
Shahrukh Khan. Oh. I know, I got it. Let me just say it in. Wait, let me just. Sometimes happy, sometimes sad.
If you know this film, then comment down. Ranbir Kapoor's movie. Okay. I got it. This youngness is lovable.
You're not saying it.
This youngness is
This is not a
is
youngness.
loveness.
What do you mean youngness?
4 words. Okay. What is this?
Wait, what
Oh,
the heck?
hero is Shah Rukh Khan. Okay.
4 words, right?
How many words?
Is it old or?
Is it old? Is it old school? Old school? Everybody, I know.
No.
Let me translate. Let me.
Something
Something is happening.
It's happening. I
Some-
want. No. I want to.
Good morning, family. Now making tea for my brother, sister, siblings. Man, I'm so done with this English, bro. Like, I can't even speak English that much alone. You need to speak it with somebody. If I want to speak Hindi, I can speak fluently without even thinking. Like, with the camera. It's too annoying right now, man. I'm not gonna be making tea for any of this, buddy. I'm gonna be giving this to Mummy and Masi. So family, now it's our time to eat. Leave it. Now it's time to eat lunch. But before we eat lunch, I want to ask a very simple question from Sanjay. To Sanjay.
Okay.
Sanjay,
Yes.
which vegetable is this in English?
Wait.
He doesn't know the vegetable.
Wait, I remember, man.
Arey, wait. Slap. Which vegetable?
Sanjay, how can you be so dumb?
Wait. Something like green lady?
Green lady?
No, I'm not sure.
Green lady? He said something. This is lady finger.
Yeah, lady finger.
So family, thank you so much for watching Remoro Presents Revlogs, and hopefully you guys loved our whole challenge. The best part about this challenge was whenever we were trying to speak English, we were not able to speak English. Whenever we were trying to speak Hindi, we need to stop our Hindi. And the best part about this challenge is that you're gonna be giving us 103k likes. Why? Because this kind of content which you've been getting every single day is that because of we are bringing that to you, and especially when we are in our homes. So remember, we have to keep this whole essence together and make our challenge go viral and make our channel go till the 10 million. And remember, 3, 2, 1, go. Remora Vlogs. Hey,
I have a
hey.
question. Wait, what happened to your English, bro?
Huh?
Yeah, you suddenly become a whole American boy. What happened?
आपको क्या लगा मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आती?
Yes.
एक्चुअली नहीं आती. ये देखे हमारे ब्लूपर. So family, thank you so much for watching Remora Presents Revlogs. Hopefully you guys loved our all content. The thing. So family, thank you so much for watching Remora Presents Revlogs, and hopefully you guys loved our whole content. We have completed our 24 hours, and the best about Pop.
और आपने कितनी बार रट्टा मारा सच्ची?
Sanjay is the winner.
हैं?
Yes.
तो मुझे लगा था सामान
नहीं, इसमें कोई सामान नहीं था.
क्यों नहीं सामान होता यार? ऐसे चैलेंजेस सिर्फ मुझे मैं जीतता हूँ,
अरे
उसमें
इसे
क्यों नहीं
रुको
होता?
भाई, रुको,
तो चुप रहे यार, ये क्यों मजाक हो रहा है?
सिर्फ इतनी इंग्लिश आती जितना मैंने याद किया था. और मेरा थोड़ा अमेरिकन एक्सेंट में बहुत मारता हूँ व्हेनेवर आई स्पीक टू माय अमेरिकन फ्रेंड्स. तो वैसी वाली
यार वो हो
आदत है.
जाता है. आई डोंट नो किसके साथ बात करें, कैमरा सामने आया था एकदम कैमरा
कॉन्शियस होकर इंग्लिश ही नहीं निकल रही थी.
और उस हिंदी टाइम पे भी यही चीज हुई थी.
हाँ.
हिंदी टाइम पे भी हिंदी ही नहीं निकल रही, इंग्लिश निकल रही मुंह से.
और यस, इंग्लिश आए ना आए, हिंदी आनी चाहिए क्योंकि वो हमारी मातृभाषा है. जाने से पहले 3, 2, 1, go.
Vlogs.
यार गाइस, आपको नहीं लगता कि मुझे मेरा प्राइस मिलना चाहिए?
क्या मिलना चाहिए?
प्राइस जो मेरे को चाहिए.
क्यों?
क्यों क्या
इसमें वो प्राइस ही नहीं था.
Yo, I'm the winner. That's not fair. Guys, oh, कहाँ जा रहे हो? Guys, that's not fair. Family, see. Last time we were doing hide and seek prank and they did a prank on me. I was about to win but I still didn't get my gift. So that's not fair, यार. यार कमेंट करके नीचे लिखो, इनको कहो कि संजय डिजर्व्स दिस मॉनिटर. एवरी टाइम हर बार भैया को उनकी एप्पल वॉच मिलती है, उसे उसका मेकअप मिलता है. दीक्षा को 5 बार मेकअप मिल चुका है. दैट्स नॉट फेयर. वो देखो